lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here or you're just joining us for the first time, my name is Tola, and you are welcome to our lovely space. Also, welcome back to my OGs on the channel. You guys know that I absolutely appreciate you tuning in every time. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Yes, you guys, it is official. We are starting the new series, and I am excited to bring this to you. In today's video, we have a major sponsor. Today's video has proudly been sponsored by Neon Signs. They are the makers of this amazing artwork behind me. And just to give you a little background on the company itself, they are on the bps.com and they have over 20 years experience. They have a wide range of products, so they deal with neon signs like this with different sizes, custom stickers, enamel pins, coins, medals, keychains, belt buckles, lanyards, and the list is endless. So they have a wide range of subsidiaries in different countries, not limited to the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and Germany. All of their products are handmade. You get custom text signs with many free templates to choose from on their website. They have a wide range of sizes, backboards, hanging options. They also have a quick turnaround time, free design service, and free shipping. All their products are also easy to install. And what's great about it is the fact that these neon signs have a lifespan of 100,000 hours, and they have no sounds and they take up very little energy. Also, you get no eating and no noise. You know that the sound you usually get with neon signs. This one doesn't have it. It's really quiet and it's not warm to the touch. Now, if you're thinking of getting something like this, I would highly recommend that you click on the link in my description box. You can also use my discount code for some amazing discounts upon checkout. It's really easy. They have an amazing team that will guide you through the whole creative process. I designed mine myself, besides I wanted a clean and clear backdrop. Anyway, thank you again to Neon Signs for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love this customized lights. They just give a personalization, to what we're going to be doing here on the channel. Anyway, you guys, I'm excited for this new series that is about to launch. Now, if you guys are curious to find out what we're going to be talking about, it's going to be centered around my faith, my lifestyle, motherhood, personal experiences. Obviously, this year it's going to be 3 years in the UK, and obviously I have things to talk about. I have comparisons based on different countries that I've lived in. I also have, things that I wish I knew sooner. I also have things that, I wish that other people coming into the country will also know. I love to talk about these things because it brings awareness. It also helps other people settle in a lot easier. It's an amazing thing that we're about to start here on the channel, and I also have some people that I am thinking of to bring to the channel to talk to you about one or two things. Thank God, I don't care. Everybody's now looking away from healthcare. We're now looking at other channels. This is something that I've been drumming since. So there will be other topics that we're going to be bringing here on the channel. We're also going to be talking about, other countries as well, because I know some people are also looking outside the UK. For those who are also looking into other aspects, other professions is what I mean. I will be bringing other people to talk about that. For those of us who have children here in the UK, we are going to be talking about that, because in this country you cannot afford to just leave children to their devices, literally and figuratively. So anyway, there's just a bunch of things we're going to be talking about here on the channel. I am excited to start rolling out this content because it's going to be something I will be dropping during the week, not for Sundays. Sundays will be for my regular vlogs. Fear not, my regular vlogs will still be airing. I will also still be uploading content like my grocery hauls for those who follow me for that content. And my collaboration with Shane is still ongoing, so we're still going to be doing all of that with this particular content. So we might be upping our upload days from just Sunday to Sunday and then one other day of the week. But anyway, you guys, I'm excited for this new journey that we're about to start. I have brought something like this in the past, but this is just going to be a continuation, and we're just making it official with the neon sign behind me. If you also have topics you want us to treat as a family, as a group, in love, because there will be no bashing on this channel. There will be no bashing. I'll also be bringing people's personal experiences with their permission, of course, and we're going to be talking about it and dissecting it here on the channel. If you have any topics that you would like us to treat as a family in love, because there will be no bashing. no bashing on this channel, because we're not looking to bring people who are down and lower. We are looking to learn from other people's experience and see how we can make better choices moving forward. All right, so that's the plan. Reach out to me on Instagram, drop me a DM, and I will be sharing your stories anonymously or with your name if you want. I've been thinking about a name for this, but I've decided to call this segment Tola Lusi Talks. I've had a couple of ideas, but I'm settling on TLT, which is Tola Lusi Talks. So you can expect at least one video in this series every week. Alright, so we are going to be talking about a whole bunch of stuff. You guys do not want to miss it for anything. Anyway, you guys, that is what to expect here on the channel. I cannot wait to share this experience with you and, just rub minds with you one-on-one, and we get to talk about relatable issues, matters arise. Some people have started to ask some questions in my previous videos, so I will be treating those first. But then as matters arise, we will be treating them subsequently. We will get to all these topics and treat them all individually. Also, I will be talking about, reaching out to brands and being an influencer, a modern day influencer, a Christian influencer, a mom influencer. All these things we're going to be talking about. I also have a series planned on how to reach out to brands. So if you are interested in working with brands that are willing to sponsor your videos like this is also something that I will be talking about. I am excited, you guys, to share this because some people have reached out privately and I have been giving answers to individuals. But just to reach the larger house, I will be sharing this content to the fuller house. Yes, so these are the things to expect. Okay, so I will be talking about all of these things, the things that I have learned, things that have worked for me, how I started to reach out to brands, and how I made myself available for brands to see me and reach out to me as a mom content creator here on YouTube. I put all of my energy into YouTube because when I started YouTube, I was bored out of my mind. I was a compulsory full housewife because I could not work in the country that I was in at the time. Story plenty, but let's just stop there. All right. So I started YouTube out of boredom. That's just the straight up answer, and it has become something that is paying my bills. YouTube is literally paying some of my bills, and I would love for moms who might be in similar situations to learn from that and also see how they can leverage tools that are available to them, especially with everyone potentially being able to go viral at any point in time. I mean, you can just make one relatable video that will catch on and you'll just get a lot of views. I also considered opening a separate YouTube channel just to upload content like this because it tends to be somewhat different from my vlogs. But the thought of starting all over again, you guys, I don't think I want to. I might regret it later because it might clash with my vlogs, but the stress of having to start again all over again, you guys, I can't be asked. And that's the reason why I've chosen to put all of this content on the same channel, because it's just too much. It's too much. Anyway, I don't want to stop creating vlogs because I genuinely enjoy creating vlogs. I suppose that's some of the things to expect on this kind of series going forward. It promises to be an interesting conversation. I look forward to receiving comments that we can treat as a family. So you guys watch out for this space. It promises to be an interesting one. Thank you again to Neon Signs for sponsoring this segment of the video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.